In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO settings 2026, step-by-step guide. First, open your Wix account and head to your site's main dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a panel with key sections. Click Marketing and SEO. This is your central hub for everything that helps your site get discovered. Next, go to SEO and GEO, which you may remember as SEO tools. Here, you'll manage how your site appears in search engines and set the regions or audiences you want to reach. Choosing the right geographic focus can help search engines show your content to the most relevant people. Now, launch the SEO setup checklist. You'll see a prompt to start setup. Answer a few quick questions about your business, whether you operate online, in a physical location, or both, and the core keywords you want to be found for. Keep your keywords simple, specific, and aligned with what your ideal customers would actually type into a search bar. Follow the checklist to refine your page titles and meta descriptions. Place your primary keyword near the start of each title and keep the language natural. A clear format like service or product brand often performs well. For descriptions, write short, friendly sentences that invite action and set expectations. Aim to stay concise so search results don't cut off your text. Continue by polishing on-page elements. Make sure every page has a single accurate H1 that summarizes the main topic. Then use subheadings logically to guide readers. Add descriptive alt text to your images so search engines and visitors using screen readers understand what's shown. Finally, confirm that the Let Search Engines Index this site toggle is enabled. Without it, your site won't appear in results. Only disable it if your site is still under construction and not ready to be found. When the basics are in place, connect to Google Search Console. Click Connect to Google and follow the verification steps. Wix will submit your sitemap automatically, helping new and updated pages get indexed faster. Indexing can still take time, but this connection gives Google a reliable roadmap to your site. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time task. Revisit the SEO and GEO dashboard whenever you publish new pages, update services, or shift business goals. Refresh titles and descriptions to match current offerings, keep headings and alt text aligned with your content, and stay consistent with the keywords that best describe what you do. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.